So now I have a coffee maker that is like a Walmart brand. Because everybody always buy these Keurigs and, spend a lot of money with coffee makers. So I'm thinking that it really doesn't matter about the coffee maker. So we're going to check it out. Okay. So I'm going to unpack it. I think. Somehow. Instructions. And let's get this out. Okay, I'm going to sit this right here on the floor. And put it back in the box. Oh, and it has a cup for, I guess, for coffee grounds. That one is. I hope I'm not missing a piece. I'm not going to be happy if I am. We'll see. So, let's take off this plastic. Alright. It's simple. That's all I need is something simple. Let's see if it... Here's the... Okay. So we'll see. I don't know what this is. Oh, that was to hold down the base thing. If you would put you need to take it out to make it, if you have a bigger coffee mug or something that you want to put it in. So, here's the reservoir right here. So I'm just going to take a cup, put some water in it, and put in there. And see how that works. I don't know where I'm supposed to fill it to, but I'll fill it some more in there, see what happens. But this is small. I only wanted a small one anyway. Okay. Looks like there. I think that's supposed to be right. Alright. So close that back. And we're going to plug it up. Where's the water? This is my water. Heat. I need a new one of those. Alright. So we're gonna open it, push in it, open it. I just bought a little pack of these because I'm not really a coffee drinker. So here's the K-cup. It's supposed to go in here. I guess I need a coffee mug. That might help. I got plenty of those. Even though I don't drink coffee. My hair's a mess today, y'all. Excuse me. I've been wearing a hat all day doing Uber. Okay, so I got the coffee mug in there. And let's see. The light's blinking. Let's see what happens. This one here is for coffee grounds. If you want to use grounds, you just put this in there and put the coffee grounds in it. So you can either have the K-cup or the regular grounds. That a lot of people like doing that, but I just want to see how it's going to work. I hope yeah, it should be okay. So it's taking it a minute for the water to heat. I'm sure that's what it's doing. I hope. See what happens soon. I don't know. I was told it didn't matter what kind of coffee maker it was. It don't have to be expensive. We'll see. I'm waiting just like you guys are. So let's see what happens. So yeah, I'm an Uber driver, and I have a video I need to post for everybody when I was driving Uber yesterday. I'll get that uploaded shortly, but I wanted to see what this was going to do. I mean, I can hear the water. So, but there's nothing happening. I'm still waiting. I didn't know it was going to take this long, but okay. So yeah, I've been an Uber driver for about 3 years, almost 4 years now, and I did it part time when I first started, and I done it for like 2 years that way part time because I had a regular job, and I took a year off, but I never gave up my status as far as being an Uber driver. I've always had that. So I got back to it, and last year at Thanksgiving I did a couple of months, and then I stopped again for about a month, and now I'm doing it again. So I'm actually doing it during the week right now until I get me another job. So the coffee's brewing. Seems to be doing okay. Just took a minute for the water to heat up. It smells good. I love the smell of coffee, but I don't drink coffee. Only time I drink coffee is if it's from Starbucks and it's a coffee frappuccino. That's the only way I can drink coffee. But this, if I drink this, I have to put a lot of sugar, a lot of cream, just to get it where I can drink it. Okay, it looks like it's gonna spill over. Maybe not. Yes. No, it's not. Well, that's a full cup of coffee right there now. So it did good. But I think it needs to be in like more of a mug or I'll show you. Not this kind of cup. I think it needs to be in something like this. These kind of cups, I think. Because that's probably let me see. Yeah, it's even too much for that one. So it's for mainly mugs like this that it needs to be for. But it seems to work good. The coffee smells good. Yeah, smells good. Everything's good. Voila. So, there's another item that I bought for a little bit of money. And it works just as good as maybe put in as much water in it. Oh, maybe that's what it is. So, but anyway, just, it's a good cup of coffee, and it's a Walmart brand. It's called Mainstays, and they have this kind of brand for everything, and it's usually, let me put it this English. It's usually a pretty good brand when you buy stuff. But, it's, like I said, it's not the most expensive thing, but that's what I'm looking for. So, very good. I'm impressed with this coffee maker. All right. Bye.